Hello, stellar people. And today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to talk about sketchbooks and how you can make your own. Now, while I still have classic traditional sketchbooks with ring bindings and whatnot, lately I've transitioned over to making my own. And all you need are a few simple ingredients, and that's paper and binding clips. That's it. You can buy Arima paper for relatively cheap at any Staples or Office Max or wherever you can find some paper. Usually 500 in a pack, and some binding clips. I use the small ones, and that's all you need. You can clip them from the top or clip them from the sides, whatever you'd like to use it for. And that's how I make my sketchbooks. Now, here are some examples of sketchbooks I've made. I usually try to keep my files in, certain categories, like fantasy with fantasy work, science fiction with science fiction work, comic with comic book work. You get the idea. But that's, just how I like to arrange things. You can arrange yours however you wish. You can have a hodgepodge of whatever suits your fancy. But I like to keep it just a little bit, a little bit clean, a little bit separated, just so I know where everything is at. And the best part about it is its versatility and convenience. You can shuffle pages, you can rearrange things, you can make it however you want. If you want to discard a page, you can do that. Don't like an image, you can take it out, put in an image, you can add to it. So I just like the versatility and convenience. And I have been doing this for some time now, and I just wanted to show how you do that. So, stellar people, keep shining, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.